Reports have recently emerged regarding thefts of brand new vehicles from factory storage lots in the Detroit area. And unfortunately, it's not the first time. In 2018, then-Fiat Chrysler fell victim to a rash of thefts from secure holding areas where robbers made off with brand new Jeeps, Ram pickups, and Challenger Hellcats. At the time, local police hadn't ruled out an inside job, saying that it appeared the thieves knew where they were going and what they were looking for, and that it could have been a current or former employee. But time has passed and a lot has happened for Fiat Chrysler, including a complete brand and name change. New name, new me? Not in this case. Fresh off a merger with the French PSA Group and newly minted Stellantis, the company is again dealing with strikingly similar thefts. According to Autoblog, a wave of thefts have hit Stellantis factory storage lots in recent weeks, with more than a dozen vehicles going missing, including Challenger Hellcats, Ram pickups, and a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Detroit's news channel WDIV Local 4 says thieves appear to be sneaking into privately owned secure storage lots and escaping with the vehicles by ramming through the gates. One Ram even smashed into a semi-truck on its way out. According to WDIV, the vehicles being targeted are pushing the six-figure mark in terms of list price. And despite the heavy security presence described by the news station, who confirmed this using drone footage, the lots will still receive additional police patrols over the coming weeks. Stellantis told WDIV that as this is an open investigation, the company is not commenting any further on what vehicles were stolen or how they were stolen. I'm Anna Wells, and this is IN Now.